Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the Dragon Multi EA, which is an expert advisor developed for MT5, and in this video I'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, go over the main features and the settings, and then we'll also take a look at the historical backtesting behavior to better understand how the EA operates based on the developer's information. And before we get into it, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right away here on the marketplace page, we can see this is Dragon Multi EA MT5 developed by Mansour Babasafari. The current version listed is version 1.8, updated in December 2024, and the EA is currently priced at 655 US dollars. Now, the first thing the developer highlights here is that this is basically three different experts um, combined into one EA. According to the description, all three strategies are based on price action, but they operate around different market trends, including long-term, medium-term, and short-term behavior. Okay. Now, the idea here seems to be giving traders access to multiple strategy styles inside a single system rather than relying on only one market approach. So as I continue scrolling through the page, the recommended currency pairs are clearly listed as Euro USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, and GBP USD. The recommended time frames are M30, H1, and H4. So the EA is designed to work across multiple chart conditions depending on the trader's preference and setup. The page also mentions that the EA includes profit limits and loss limits, while specifically avoiding risky methods like martingale and hedging. Now, that's something many traders will pay attention to because it generally means the system is aiming for more controlled exposure instead of aggressive recovery techniques. Okay. The developer also states that the EA complies with FIFO rules and can be used with prop firms, which may be useful for traders operating under funded account restrictions. Now, moving into the settings section, there's actually a decent amount of flexibility here. Traders can choose between different strategy selections, configure risk settings, manually define lot sizes if they don't want automatic sizing, and also control which trading days the EA is allowed to operate on, right? So there's also support for separate magic numbers and trade comments, which becomes useful if you are running multiple EAs simultaneously on the same account. Now, another detail worth mentioning is that the developer says the EA automatically recognizes symbols even if the broker uses prefixes or suffixes. So traders shouldn't need additional symbol configuration for most broker environments. Okay. So let us move into the historical backtesting side. Transitioning into the historical backtesting side, the developer explains that the number of trades seen in testing should generally align with live conditions when using the same settings, which is useful for evaluating trade frequency before running the EA live. All right, we are just going to head over to the strategy tester right now. The Dragon Multi EA. We are testing the Dragon Multi EA on Euro USD on the H4 time frame. Okay, the test has already completed. Okay, but we're just going to go through the chart history. So we ran the test from the beginning of the year, 1st January 2026 till date, in order to capture a notable, at least a significant data for the back testing, even though I would recommend testing over a longer period of time. For the delays, we're using the last ping to the server, every tick modeling. And now, looking through the historical testing behavior and the chart activity, the system appears structured around adapting trade management differently depending on the selected time frame and strategy mode. One thing I observed here is that the EA seems to be capturing longer term, price movement. Although the length of the trade differs, you can see how this trade lasted for quite a number of days. This is the H4 time frame. It means that each candle represents 4 hours. So we can see how many days, or you can just imagine how many days this particular trade was held. It was executed here, and you can see how many candles passed before the trade was closed. And there was significant spacing between that trade and this other trade that was executed here and closed here. Another trade was executed here and closed here, right? So this EA is not the type to stack a lot of trades. Okay, you can see it's quite obvious here. All right. You can also see from the overall historical chart flow that higher time frames naturally produce fewer signals, while we might not know about the lower time frames unless if you actually run a test on a lower time frame, right? But if I'm to assume, the lower time frame, might actually generate more activity, but may behave differently in terms of precision and market noise, right? So the developer specifically mentions M30 as one of the preferred balanced time frames for this EA. Let's just go to the marketplace again. M30 is one of them, and then H1 and then H4. But for the purpose of this video, we actually used H4. All right, so I want to assume that the M30 might have more activity, right? Because it's a smaller time frame compared to H4. Okay, but you can actually test across the three recommended time frames. And let us just look at the results themselves. We can see that from an initial deposit of 100,000, the total net profit was 4,465.57. And we had 9 total trades. 2 were short trades with 100% win rate, 7 long trades with 85.71% win rate. So the largest profit was 798.2, largest loss 1,702, sorry, 1,712.04. The average profit was 772.2, average loss 1,712.04. So I can see that the risk to reward ratio is quite bad, but the win rate is high. Okay, no wonder we had about 4.46% profit, total net profit. When you combine the high win rate with the poor risk to reward ratio, it ended up yielding over 4% net profit over the duration of our back testing. But of course, these are still historical backtest results, and actual live performance can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, risk settings, optimization choices, and overall market conditions. So I definitely recommend running your own longer term testing and optimization before considering live trading with the EA. So overall, the Dragon Multi EA for MT5 presents itself as a flexible multi-strategy price action system with configurable risk controls and support for several major Forex pairs across multiple time frames. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.